Hey friends, if you wish to install and use WhatsApp on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, open the Microsoft Store, and if you don't find it in the system tray here, then you can simply search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it. Now you'll usually find the WhatsApp icon here, but still you can always search for it here in the search bar, and then open WhatsApp and then click on install, and it will start installing WhatsApp. Now this is the easiest method. Obviously the other method is to search for WhatsApp on the Bing search bar or the Google search bar, and then install the WhatsApp app from here, whatsapp.com/download, and then it will also redirect you to the Microsoft Store though. Once it is downloaded, click on open, or if you don't want to click on open, then you can search for WhatsApp here and then open it, and then click on get started. Now you'll get a QR code here. Open your phone and open WhatsApp on your phone. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on link devices. After clicking on link devices, you'll get this option to link a device. Click on that. It will ask for authentication. Please authenticate your system and then scan this QR code. In less than a second, you will notice that WhatsApp will load on your PC. It will start downloading the recent messages and installing everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.